You know what that is?
It's a Wii game.
What's a Wii?
I don't know. It's a Wii game.
Put it down. Daddy will give it to you. That might not be for you. You got
Cool.
to do alone for that.
What?
Okay. Hey, Dottie, you mind helping? Can we get the tape out of the way and everything?
Alright, excuse me guys. Alrighty, let's see. Please back up a little bit so everyone gets a chance to everything.
Okay, kids. Find a place where you have room.
Back
Hey,
up a little bit.
Thomas, no, whoa.
Hey Catherine, this one's for you. I'm gonna put it right here. That's for you. Alright, Catherine.
For Mary?
This one's for Jake.
That somebody needs to give, if you'll give it to me. That one is set aside.
This is for Mary. Who else we have?
There's a little tag on top.
There it is. This one's from Jake also. Did you get a game for the Wii?
Oh,
Irving did.
cool.
Cool.
A coloring book.
Good.
Oh, you got a game.
Cool, Jacob.
And I want that
Thank
game.
you. All right, go sit down so you can get some more. Go ahead and open this, Mary.